In this Gutenberg WordPress tutorial, Gutenberg Block Editor WordPress tutorial, this one is going to show you how to use the patterns on the right hand side here. Now the patterns can also be accessed by clicking on there, and that will then bring you up to the same side over here, as you can see. So it doesn't really matter which way you do it, but what you can do with the patterns, they're all here, and all you do is you click that, and that will then put that pattern over there, and you can then start writing inside of that quite happily there. You can change the blocks type or style. You can change the alignment of it, so you can go full width or wide width. You can do the same with this. You can actually do whatever you want to do with this. You can copy it so it moves down, or you can just remove the block like we did before with the blocks. Remove the block there. That takes that out. That's for that. The same rules apply really for everything else, but you can also add buttons into it here. If you put buttons there, and then with the buttons, all you can simply do is you can change the block or style. This is where you get more options there. You can do whatever you want to do with it, and you can literally change it into the button style by adding your link there inside it. If you click link, you can put your text inside that, so the text for the link to go wherever you want it to go to, that can go inside there, and then you apply that by clicking there. And if you wanted to have it as a clickable link, what I suggest that you do is that you have, let's just remove that, is you type the word onto the text first of all, and then you link it in the box itself. You can do the same with the button too as well. So let's get rid of that one again. More options, click on that, remove that block there, and that then takes us back here to the other side here, and we have some more things that we can put into. We can put a cover image. We can put two images side by side, which will come there. So you've got the image there, you've got two images side by side there, which is, let's pull that up there so you can see it. And again, you can get rid of both blocks by clicking that one and then clicking to get rid of that one. So that's what you do with anything to do with blocks, and that's how you would add them to your page for your design. You can do whatever you want to do once they're on there as well. Let's choose the custom design for a minute, and then you can actually put, if you wanted to put a block in it as well, you can put a paragraph there, and the paragraph, you can have the paragraph but then kind of go underneath there. So if we put paragraph 2 there, and you can start by putting it into there. But that's how you would add a block to it there. So let's get rid of button 2. Let's get rid of the block there. And let's get rid of that one as well. And that's how you would add a pattern to your Gutenberg Block Editor. If you want to get more and find out more about WordPress, then simply click on the link beneath this video to learn more about it, or go to wpacademy.com. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to learn more as well. Thanks very much for watching.